In HTML, images are used to make web pages more visual and engaging. We can use images for photographs, logos, icons, illustrations, diagrams, product pictures, and many other things. In HTML, we display an image using the img element. Img stands for image. Let us begin with a simple example. Suppose we have an image file named nature.jpg in the same folder as our HTML file. To display the image, write the img element. The img element does not have a closing tag. It is an empty element. That means all the required information is written inside the opening tag only. To specify which image should be displayed, we use a source attribute. The source attribute is written as src. Let us write source equals nature.jpg inside double quotation marks. The source attribute tells the browser where the image file is located. Save the file and refresh the browser. The browser loads and displays nature.jpg. Now the image is visible, but our code is not complete yet. Images should also include the alt attribute. Alt stands for alternative text and it describes the image in words. Let us add alt equals sandy beach with clear water and a small boat. The alt text is important for accessibility. Screen readers can read the alt text aloud to users who cannot see the image. The alt text is also displayed when the image cannot be loaded. For example, let us intentionally write an incorrect file name, say missingimage.jpg. Refresh the browser. Because missingimage.jpg does not exist, the browser cannot display the image. Instead, it may show a broken image icon and the alternative text. This is why alt text should clearly describe the purpose or content of the image. Now let us return to the correct file name. We can also control the displayed size of an image. For that, we can use the width and height attributes. Let us set the width to 400 and the height to 250. Save the file and refresh the browser. The image is now displayed using the specified dimensions. The width attribute specifies the width of the image. The height attribute specifies the height of the image. These values are written in pixels by default. So, width equals 400 means 400 pixels and height equals 250 means 250 pixels. Be careful when setting both width and height manually. If the values do not match the original aspect ratio of the image may look stretched or compressed. For example, let us change the height to 100 pixels. The image may appear distorted. A common approach is to specify only the width and allow the browser to calculate the height automatically. This usually preserves the original proportions of the image. Later, when we learn CSS, we will see better ways to control image size and make images responsive. Now let us look at images stored inside a folder. Suppose we create an images folder and place nature.jpg inside it. From index.html, the source path becomes images/nature.jpg. The browser first enters the images folder, then it loads nature.jpg. This is a relative path because the location is written relative to the current HTML file. Now let us consider another folder structure. Suppose the HTML file is inside a pages folder while the images folder is outside it. Let us move index.html into pages folder and reopen the web page. We first need to move one folder up. To move to the parent folder, we write two dots followed by a slash. Then we enter the images folder. The two dots mean the parent folder. So the browser moves from the pages folder to the website folder. Then it enters the images folder and loads nature.jpg. Now let us display an image from another website. For this, we can use the complete image address. This is called an absolute URL. The source value includes the complete address of the image. The browser downloads the image from that external website. That is how you add images in HTML. Thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more HTML tutorials.